In this video, I will show you how to change folder icon in Windows 11. Changing a folder icon in Windows 11 is a simple way to personalize your workspace. So to be able to do that, go ahead and right click on that folder that you want to change the icon to. Now click on Properties, and in here, click on that Customize tab on this pop-up. So this will allow you to customize the icon by clicking on this Change Icon button, which you'll find at the bottom of this pop-up. And then in here, you can simply select the icon that you want to use for this displayed folder. So I'll use this and click on OK and click on that apply button to apply that into my desktop icon. And that is how you can change folder icon in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.